3, 2, 1.
Jackson Show.
And welcome everyone to the Jackson Show.
Today we are actually unboxing our new Yankee Stadium club.
Yankee
The club
Universe.
is called Yankee Universe. And we are now going to unbox it. Are you ready? Here's our little Yankee card. And we're going to read that last so we can see our stuff. Ooh.
What's the first thing?
Let's see. What is this? Oh, cool. It's a Yankee Universe towel. Not like one of those small towels, like a big one. Is this a hat? Ooh. Aaron's bobblehead.
Like, cool.
And then, what is this?
Show it to the camera. Ooh.
Odd.
They're headphones.
Headphones. That'll be useful. What's in here? This is odd. Oh, these are glasses. Nice looking. I can get myself all this stuff soon. Look, I'm putting my glasses on. Ooh. Have a look.
And we'll be right back after a word from our sponsors.
Okay.
Are you ready for baseball season?
Yeah.
Well, then you should come out to support the
Yankee Universe team.
Yankee Universe is affiliated with the New York
Yankees.
Come out to Yankee Stadium today and see your favorite players like
Let me see. Aaron Judge.
Get your tickets now at Yankees.com. And we're back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Jackson Show.
All right, so we're back and we're still unboxing. What's the next thing we found?
Oh, look at this. It's a New York Yankees cup. Ooh.
Ooh, looks like a cool water bottle.
Yes, nice. We have, what's this? Is this another Yankee Universe shirt? Let's see.
Face it to the camera. Wow.
It's another Yankee Universe shirt. It's a hanging travel toiletries organizer.
It's for like when you go on vacation.
Oh, nice.
To put like your shower stuff.
That's all.
All right.
Let's see. Packet slip. It will probably tell us what we get. All right. Let's get our message out. Okay. Yankee Universe. Membership information and terms. Okay. I'm not going to read this right now. I'm just going to read our little message. Oh! There's our Yankee Universe card. Ooh.
Official member. What does it say?
Oh, and it says Jackson Sherry on it. MVP, Yankees Universe, 1-200, 2018. Yankees.com/universe, 800, go Yankees. Go Yankees.
So how do you feel about your Yankee Universe membership?
I'm very happy.
If you were to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10.
I would rate it 10.
Okay, what's your favorite part?
I would probably say this and my card in first place. This is my favorite thing, basically.
All right.
Because it gives me, I show them it, they're probably like, oh, you're a Yankee Universe member, come right this way.
Right. Do you feel like special?
Yeah.
And what would you ask them to include to make it better? Like, what would you want?
You know, I really, really, really want if they like gave you some kind of special Yankee Universe stuffed animal.
All right. It's a good suggestion. So that's the Yankee Universe box.
Yeah.
You get, along with this, you also get 4 tickets to the Yankees, which we already used. Then you get an Aaron Judge bobblehead and headphones and a hat and a shirt and a towel and a toiletries bag and, of course, your exclusive Yankees Universe membership.
Yeah.
And
so, if you want us to, we can actually read you the card.
And we want to thank all of our YouTube subscribers, right?
Yeah.
Special thank you to
Sadie for subscribing to us.
And we'll see you next time on the
Jackson Show.
Yankee edition.
Yeah.